Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So we're going to make a lamb curry today with some potatoes. It's very spicy, this one. It really will blow your socks off. So if you're not into this type of heat, maybe check out one of my other videos. Lamb, potato, super hot curry. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some lamb here. There's a couple of little bones in there, but not too many. I've got about 500 grams there. Potatoes, roughly equal amounts in volume. So it's like, 2 decent sized potatoes, 2 large tomatoes, fresh chili. Now we're going to need quite a lot of this, but you can adjust that. I've got about 6 in there. Tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Then we've got half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 3 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. You can use whichever one you want. We've got some dried red chilies there. What have we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 or 6 there. 120 grams of tomato paste and 1 cup of onions. So you're going to need a saucepan, a wok or a skillet. I've got some oil in there. I've got about 3 tablespoons of a sunflower oil. The heat is on, just above medium. We're going to drop in our dried red chilies, followed by our 1 cup of onion, and then our lamb. Now this lamb's not the best quality. It's more of a stewing type lamb. We're going to start this off, throw this around in the pan for about 4 minutes. So we're just getting a little bit of colour there. We're now going with the 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. We're going to add our fresh chili now. And our potatoes. So staying on this slightly above medium heat, another 4 minutes. Fantastic. We're now going to drop in that tomato paste. I'm going to add some salt, and then we're going to cook this through for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Really want to kind of cook that tomato paste before we add our fresh tomatoes. Stir it often now. Fabulous. Okay, the fresh tomato. Try and use nice ripe tomatoes. And then let's just take a look once again. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin and coriander, 3 teaspoons chili powder. We want to go for about 5 minutes now. What we want is those tomatoes to really break down, and hopefully they're going to give off a little bit more moisture. And we might just add a little bit of water, but that depends how our tomatoes turn out. Okay, look, I've done really well with my tomatoes. They were nice and juicy. I'm still going to add some more liquid. If you didn't get this much liquid, don't worry. It's probably just because your tomatoes weren't very ripe. So I'm going to go with some water now. So a couple of cups there maybe. Now we're going to put this on a simmer, nice and low. Let that go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. You can see that that's cooked out beautifully. That was actually about 12 minutes for me. But that is nice and deep and very hot. Now, we're now going to hit this with a nice big double pinch of black pepper. We're going to mix that in and it's done. Check it for salt, it's going to be fine for me. But yeah, Nice, spicy, very, very hot. Okay, and there it is. Absolutely wonderful. Not for the faint-hearted, I would say, but very spicy and very, very delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.